Hello, good morning students of standard 8 subject maths lesson number 3 understanding the quadrilateral. Now today we are going to see exercise 3.2 question number 1. Exercise 3.2 question number 1. Okay, now let us see. What is the first question? Here you are given one question, that is exercise is 3.3, not 2. 3.3, exercise 3.3. Here one parallelogram ABCD is given. Complete the statement along with the definition or the properties. Here question number 1, given a ABCD. Here see A, B, C, D. Why it is parallelogram? It is explained to you. This CD and AB are parallel and equal. AD and BC are equal and parallel. That is why it is known as parallelogram. The diagonal BD and AC intersect at point O. Now, according from this diagram, we have to give some answers. Okay, using the property. First question is this AD equals to dash. Here it is us AD. Second one is angle BCB equals to dash. Then third one is OC equals to dash. Fourth one is measure angle DAB plus measure angle CDA is dash. These are the 4 questions related to this question. Here parallelogram, we know that parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, opposite angles are equal. 2 adjacent angles are supplementary. Angle A plus angle D is supplementary. Angle D or plus C is supplementary. That means 180. C plus B is supplementary. That means their sum measure of their angle is 180. A plus D is also supplementary. That means if you add this is also 180. Here AD side is given. AD, where is AD? First of all, see, this is AD. Its opposite side is BC. This one and this one. So opposite side is always equal to. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, or parallel here equal is set. So we'll write BC, AD equal to BC, AD equals to BC. From this diagram you can get. Here angle DCB, where is DCB? DCB, this angle, this one full angle DCB is equal to, as it is said to you that opposite angles are equal. So which is the opposite angle of DCB? The opposite angle of C is A, this full A, that means DAB, or this DAB can also be renamed as BAD. You can write any name, angle DAB. Many students will write angle BAD. This also equal. It is same. These and these are both same angle. It can be given in 3 forms. Okay, it can also be written as angle A, but we don't have to write because they are diagonal. So we will write in 3 letters. Now OC is given. OC, where is OC? Here. It's equal to OA or AO because it is said that diagonal bisect each other. Bisect means diagonal is divided by both is divided equally. That means if OC is 5, the OA is also 5. OC is 8, the OA is also 8. That means OC is equal to OA. Now last one. angle, measure angle DAB. Where is DAB? DAB, this one. And CDA. Where is CDA? These two are adjacent angle or interior angle of the same side. Adjacent or consecutive angle. That means they both are supplementary, as it is explained to you. Two supplementary, when you add two angle and two adjacent angle are supplementary and their measure is 180 degree. Okay, this is the question number 1. Question number 2, I am explaining. Here, consider the following parallelogram. Find the value of x, y, z. This first one I am explaining. Question number. Consider the following. The full question I am not writing. You have to read from the textbook. The first one is said we have to find x, y, and z. Value of x, y, or z. Any one or all three. Okay. Now, first one. What is said here? Or given one diagram is given like this: A, B, C, D. Measure angle A is Z, measure angle D is Y, measure angle C is X, and B is given 100. Now we know that it is a parallelogram. It is given ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given in the question. So we know that the rule or the property of parallelogram, opposite angles are also equal. That means first one, measure angle B equals to measure angle D. B means CBA or ABC. You can write like this in 3-letter word. It's opposite angle CDA or ABC. That means I am writing in short form. Measure angle B and measure angle D are equal. Why? Opposite angle property is opposite angle of, this is the symbol of parallelogram. Therefore, measure angle B is 100, measure angle D is 100. Therefore, measure angle D is also 100. So, measure angle D is 100. We know that measure angle D is Y. So value of Y is 100. Here we get Y is equal to 100. Now we know that measure angle B plus measure angle C is 180. They are supplementary. Interior angle on the same side. These are forming interior angle. Therefore, B is given 100, C is given X is equal to 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 100. Therefore, X is equal to 80. Value of X is 80. Here, 80. I am writing here. Okay, I am rubbing this one and writing here. Okay, see. Next, we want to find Z. Now, measure angle A is measure angle C. Measure angle A is Z is equal to X. Measure angle, what is the value of X? X we got 80. Therefore, value of Z is also 80. This way you can find X, Y, Z in a given question. Next question is this second part I am explaining. See. Second part. Second angle, not second part, second angle of this question. What is that? Look here. This is one parallelogram. This is the parallelogram. Here Z is given. Here nothing is given. Then your Y is given. Okay, this angle is 50. Okay, and this angle is X. Your name is not given. Okay, you can give the name according to you, or you cannot give the let calculator A B C D name it A, B, C and D. So it will be easy for you. Now look here. Measure angle A is measure angle C is equal to 50. A is 50, so C is also 50. Interior angle 50. Why 50? Reason is opposite angles, pair of opposite angle. Therefore, measure angle C is also 50. Now, measure angle A plus measure angle B is 180. Reason is supplementary angle. Interior angle on the same side. Interior angle are supplementary. Measure angle A is 50 plus B is x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180. Take this 50 to other side. Therefore, x is equal to 150 minus x. 180 minus 50 means 130. The value of x is 130. Now, again, what is that? Measure angle B is equal to measure angle D is equal to, what is the measure angle D? D x is equal to y. What is value of x? 130 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 130. Is that clear? Now, we want z also. Here, 50 plus z is equal to 180. Reason is linear pair. Therefore, z is equal to 180 minus 50. Z is equal to 130. This is the answer of the second one. You can find all type of method. You can use another method also, whichever is possible or easy for you. You can solve according to your requirement also. Now, next one I am explaining. See. Again, there is third one. Third one, what is given here? Like this. This is also parallelogram. Here it is said this is 90. Again, here you are given y, you are given 30 here. You have to find z, y and here x. This thing you have to find. See, again let quadrilateral is A, B, C, D, name it A, B, C, D. Now we know that it intersects at this one, x. This is 90. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Here this angle, it intersects at point O. So measure angle BOC is 90. Therefore, measure angle BOC is equal to DOA or AOD. 90. Reason is vertical opposite angle. Here, this and this are forming vertical opposite. It's formed like the x opposite are like vertical opposite angle are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 90. We got this 90. Now, in triangle AOD, measure angle A. This means DOA. Here we have to write in 3-letter word. Measure angle DA. O plus measure angle AOD plus measure angle ODA is 180. The sum of the all angle of triangle is 180. DAO is y. AOD we got this x. X means we got x plus ODA is 30. Is equal to 180. Therefore, y is not given. Value of x is 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. Therefore, y plus 120 is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 120, that means 60. Y is 60 degree. Here 60 degree. Here we want Z. Now these and these are parallel line and this is transversal line. So it is forming alternate angle. What is? They are forming alternate. Now I am explaining here. See. DAO so BCO is equal to are equal. Reason what? Alternate angle. Therefore, DOA is Y, it is Z, Y is 60 is equal to Z, Z is also 60. Okay, this way you can solve this sum. Now I am explaining fourth and fifth. Okay, I am explaining fourth sum. If you have not followed, you can call us. You can just go through video again and again. It will be easy for you. What are alternate angle, vertical opposite angle? These are explained to you in your lower class. Okay. Now, fourth question. What is the fourth question? Like this. Okay. Your 80, your X, your Y, then your Z. Okay. Now, name it, let it will be easy for you. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now, measure angle C is equal to measure angle A. Reason is opposite pair of opposite angle. Okay. Therefore, 80 is equal to Y. That means we got Y is equal to 80. Now, measure angle C plus measure angle B is 180. Linear pair. C is 80 plus B is X is equal to 180. Therefore, X is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. Therefore, X is equal to 100. Now, here, this one are Z and C. Look here, this one Z is equal to 80. Why? Because this angle BCD and AD here are forming corresponding angle. Angle we have to write here. Angle BCD is equal to AD. Suppose here X. ADX are equal. These are equal. Reason corresponding angle. These type of the angles are explained in 7th standard. Therefore, it is 80. ADX is Z. Z is 80. Like this, you can solve this sum. Okay. Now, next sum I am explaining. See. Last sum of this question, that is fifth question. Fifth question, that means here, look here. Name it A, B, C, D. It will be easy for you. Here Y, here 112, then here 40, and this here X is given. Okay, now here we also want to find Z. Now, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. Reason is opposite angle of parallelogram are equal, therefore A is y, C is 112, so y is 112. Now in triangle ABD, this triangle, measure angle DAB plus measure angle ABD plus measure angle ADP, 180, because the sum of the measure of all three angles of triangle is 180. Now DAB we got y, measure angle ABD we got 40 given, plus measure angle ADB is not given, x is equal to 180. We know y we got 112 plus 40 plus x is equal to 180. Therefore 152, if you add this 112 and 40 you will get 152. X is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 152. If you subtract this from 10 minus 2 means 8, 7 minus 5 means 28. Like this you can do 180 minus 152, 10, 7. Here 8 and 2. 28 is the answer. Okay, now we got, therefore x is equal to 28. Now ADB, angle ADB equals to DBC, y equal, result is alternate angle. Therefore ADB is x and this one is z. We got x, 28 is equal to z, therefore z is 28. This way you have to do in your notebook, all sums you have to do. If you have not followed, you can go through the video thoroughly again and again. If you have not followed, then you can call us or give the message. We'll explain you or take the revision again. We'll clear your doubt in your next session. Is that clear, student? You have to practice regular. Now there will be test and exam will be conducted test will be conducted next week or the end of the week of this month, and exam will be there in next month. Okay, be ready and prepare your book and do your study regularly. Thank you.